फुडली लक्षवेधी सूचना श्री सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकर.
Sabhapati Mahoday, I beg to call the attention of Honorable Minister for Health to the following matter of urgent public importance. Fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of Goa due to the death caused by swine flu in the recent past. Steps the government initiates to control the spread of swine flu in the state. Sabhapati Mahoday, swine flu हो एक आता ह्या दिसांनी म्हणजे एपिडेमिक फॉर्मान आयिल्लो एक रोग आसा. स्पीकर सर्व सामान्य मनीस रिच मनीस हो कांयच फरक करना. कायरच आमच्या शशिकला ताई पणजेची तांकां आमचे फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर तांकांय स्वायन फ्लू जालो अशें हांवें काल पेपरार वाचलें. हाजे बद्दल म्हाका दिसता की एक इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल
मातसो सिद्धार्थ बाब मातसो तूं मागीर ताजेर उलय. तुवें मांडलें न्ही, माननीय मंत्र्यांक ताजेर उत्तर दिवं न्ही.
The steps, measures taken by the government to control spread of swine flu in the state is indicated below. Total number of samples sent for testing is 153. Reports received is 132. Positive H1N1 is 31. Number of deaths are 3. Details of death cases: 45 years old male resident of Salset Taluka. Diagnosis: acute respiratory distress syndrome secondary to influenza. H1N1 swine flu with diabetes mellitus. Expired on 2/2/15. 79 years old male resident of Sange Taluka, expired on 16/3/2015. Diagnosis: influenza, that is swine flu. COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease with hypertension. Third, 40 years old female resident of Salset Taluka, expired on 19/3/2015. Diagnosis: influenza, H1N1 swine flu with diabetes mellitus with hypertension. Patients positive for influenza A H1N1 swine flu along with any comorbid conditions such as diabetes mellitus, COPD, asthma, renal diseases, liver diseases, etc. are more prone for complications leading to death. Adequate supply of antiviral medication. Oseltamivir is stocked at Director of Health Services and is placed at both district hospitals, Cottage Hospital Chikali, Sub-District Hospital Ponda and Goa Medical College Bamboli. And it is made available in various private pharmacies at Panji, Mapsa, Margam, Ponda and Vasco, the list of which is updated on DHS website. Personal protective equipment and consumables such as N95 masks, triple layered masks, gloves and hand sanitizers are adequately stocked in Director of Health Services and is provided to all health units for personal protection. Consumables required for sending throat swabs for H1N1 testing are made available at Cottage Hospital Chikali, both district hospitals and Goa Medical College Bamboli, Ward 147, and at Integrated Disease Surveillance Project IDSP, Office of Director of Health Services, DHS, Kampal, on working days. All the possible contacts of swine positive patients are traced by informing the same to the respective health officer, medical officer in charge of that jurisdiction. I have been advised to be home quarantine and to start on treatment if any flu-like symptoms occur. Daily reports of H1N1 is been sent regularly to Emergency Medical Relief, New Delhi, Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Goa, and Commissioner of Secretary and Secretary Health, Government of Goa. Situation of H1N1 is been roughly monitored on fortnightly basis by core committee under chairmanship of Commissioner and Secretary Health. Surveillance and monitoring of H1N1 is by Integrated Disease Surveillance Project, Director of Health Services, Sampal, by regularly sending samples of suspected H1N1 swine flu cases from government as well as private hospitals to NCDC, National Center for Disease Control, Delhi, Manipal Center for Viral Research, Manipal. IEC or information. Press release regarding precautions to be taken to prevent contracting and spreading of H1N1 swine flu was issued for widespread publicity 4 times since January 2015. Posters on swine flu has been distributed to be displayed at health units under Director of Health Services. Phone-in program conducted by Doordarshan on 5th March 2015 with Dr. Edwin Gomes and Dr. Utkarsh Betodkar. All health officers, medical officers in charge are instructed to include influenza in all routine IEC activities in schools and in general public. Guidelines on H1N1 swine flu for schools and educational on notice boards are sent to Education Department and are already circulated in periphery. An updated CD alert guidelines on H1N1 swine flu list on private pharmacies holding anti-flu and current H1N1 situation in Goa has been uploaded on National Health Mission website of Director of Health Services, www.nhm.goa.gov.in. This talk on H1N1 taken for teachers on various schools under PSC, Kollim. Trainings, CME on H1N1 swine flu conducted during monthly IMA meetings at Salse, Tiswadi and Bardez. A talk on overview and current situation on swine flu taken for all chief medical officers, health officers and medical officers in charge, judges on 9 to 15 during monthly conference of Directorate of Health Services. CMEs have been conducted on H1N1 swine flu at Urban Health Center, Margaon, North Goa District Hospital, Mapsa Sub-District Hospital, Ponda on 10th, 11th and 12th March 2015 respectively, which was attended by 125 doctors in total. Training on H1N1 of counselors under Director of Health Services have been done. Speaker sir, हे तालुको वायज हांव बेश्टे हावजाक सांगता. तालुको वायज जे स्प्रेड हा पळय तो सालसत तालुक्यान चड आहा आनी तेजे फाटसून तिसवाडी आनी तेजे नंतर म्हाका दिसता बाकीच्या बारीकशा तालुक्यांनी आहा. प्रश्न स्पीकर सर, हे रोग 3 क्लासिफिकेशन केल्ले ह्या रोगाचे, A, B and C. C म्हणटा पळय तो आमी सिरियस धरता. तेजे सिम्पटम्स ब्रेथलेसनेस, chest pain, drowsiness, low BP, sputum with blood, bluish discoloration of nails, irritable child, worsening of underlying chronic condition. Action, immediate hospitalization and treatment with anti-flu throat swab for testing of H1N1. एक category आमी mild fever म्हणटा पळय, cough, sore throat with or without body ache, headache, diarrhea and vomiting. Action, no anti-flu, symptomatic treatment, no testing, home isolation. म्हणजे घरा कडसून सादे मनशाचो ट्रीटमेंट जाता. B1, symptoms of Cat A plus high-grade fever plus severe sore throat, action, home isolation, capsules anti-flu may be given, no testing. म्हणजे हे साधारणसे ट्रीटमेंट हो, साधारणचे फ्लूक जाता पळय, इन्फ्लुएन्जा म्हणटा पळय तो ट्रीटमेंट. हे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केसीस हा फक्त डायबेटीक लोकांक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केस येता, कोणाक चेस्ट प्रॉब्लम आहा पळय, लंग प्रॉब्लम आहा तांकां कॉम्प्लिकेशन येता, आनी कोणाक रिनल प्रॉब्लम आहा तांकां कॉम्प्लिकेशन येता, कोणाक कडेन TB आसता ताका कॉम्प्लिकेशन येता, HIV आहा ताका कॉम्प्लिकेशन येता. म्हणजे हे सिरियस मॉर्बिड कंडिशन्स म्हणटा आमी ताका मातशें सिरियसनेस येता. आमच्या बाब सिद्धार्थान एक नांव घेतलें, हांव इतकेंच सांगूं शकता, 5-6 दीस फाटीं म्हाका रिपोर्ट आसलो आनी तेजे घरच्यांचें मत आसलें हें एनावन्स करचें न्हू म्हणून पब्लिकाक. म्हणून हो पयले फाटी स्वाब धाडलेलो दिल्लीक पळय तेन्ना टेस्ट जावन येयला पॉझिटीव, पूण आतां सेकंड काल केला पळय तितून नेगेटीव येयल्ली आहा. म्हणजे हो ट्रिटमेंट जाल्लो आहा. आनी 31 म्हाका दिसता फक्त 3 मरण आहा, चडशे लोक हितूंतले सारके जावन परते गेले घरा. दुसरे म्हटल्यार गोंया भायले 1-2 पेशंट आसले, फॉरेनर 2 आसले, भुरगे 1 वर्साचे पासून ट्रिटमेंट घेवन घरा गेल्ले आहा. म्हणटकच हें क्युरेबल दुयेंस. स्वायन फ्लू म्हणजे सादारणशी आमकां थंडी जाता पळय ते भाशेचें दुयेंस, आनी चडशे म्हणजे 99% लोक क्युअर जावन वयतात. आतां काही कारणां खातीर बाकीच्या लोकांक धोको आसता. तेजी कारणां हांवें सांगली. कोणाक समज हाय BP आहा, शुगर आहा, रिनल प्रॉब्लम आहा, HIV आहा, TB आहा, हे सगळ्या लोकांक मातशें तें म्हारग पडटा. म्हण तेजेर काळजी चड घेवची पडटा आनी हॉस्पिटलायजेशन करचें पडटा. हितून सामान्य जनतेक भंय कसलोच ना. वखदां सरकार कडेन जाय तितकी स्टॉक करून दवरलेली आहा. दोतोरां मदें प्रोग्राम केल्लो आहा आनी लोकांच्या अवेरनसा खातीर आमी जायराती टीव्हीचेर आनी न्यूजपेपराचेर टायम टू टायम घालता आमी.
टॅमी फ्लू म्हणून कितें टॅबलेट गावता तुमी हाडून दवरल्या लोकांक दिवपाक?
ते सांगला न्हू, ऑस्तामॉल आनी टॅमी फ्लू दोनूय टॅबलेटां आमचे कडेन जाय तितकी स्टॉकाक आहा. आमी सादारणशी 100 लोकांची तयारी करून दवरलेली आहा. म्हणजे एका टायमार 100 लोक येत जाल्यार आमकां दिवपाची ताकद आहा.
दुसरें म्हाका सांगपाचें पब्लिसिटी कितले दिली तुमी? आमच्या गोंयांत जाय तितले चॅनल्स आहा, लोकल चॅनल्स, तेचेर तुमी मातशें इल्लो खर्च करचो पडटलो. रेग्युलर तेचेर तुमी लोकांक कितें तेचेर आपल्या हाव टू टेक केअर ऑफ इट, यू सी, हाव टू अवॉइड गेटिंग दीस फ्लू अँड स्वायन फ्लू. प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स कितें घेवचे सामान्य मनशाक सांगूंक जाय. Give due publicity to it, because more than 1,600 or 1,500 people have died all over the country, just like Ebola in West Africa.
स्पीकर सर, हांव आनी एक पॉयंटार हायलायट करता. गोंय राज्यांक कालच आमी डिस्कशन केल्लें, जवळ जवळ 40 लाख टुरिस्ट आयिल्ले गेल्या वर्सा. म्हाका दिसता गोंय राज्याक एक वेल कनेक्टेड राज्य जाल्लें आसा. एक वॉटरवेज आसा, रेल्वे आसा, रोडवेज आसा, एअरवेज आसा. हाका लागून ज्या बाकीच्या देशाच्या भागांत हो जी साथ पसरल्या ती गोंयांक येवपाक शकता, हाजेर आमी थोडेशे एक चिंता करची.